Report from the Texas Department of Public Safety indicates the state should do more to make medical marijuana accessible. The Department of Public Safety report looked at the state's compassionate use program. The goal of the report was to see if it could provide reasonable access to patients statewide. It found because Texas is so large, it causes unique problems for both patients and dispensaries. KXAN's Barrett Tryon digs deeper into what the report has to say.
To take all of our products from our pickup location. So what you would think is a dispensary or a retail location at the end of the night, anything that's not sold or picked up by patients, and drive it back to our central location in Austin.
That is one of the biggest problems Texas dispensary operators say they face when it comes to the compassionate use program. In a new 70-page report by DPS, a third party looked at how the state is handling the program and what can be done better. A key point is better access.
They need to fix the regulations in the system as it exists today, and then expand to new licenses to diversify to make sure that you're not over reliant on one or two or three licenses.
Texas Original was one of the 3 operators the state authorized to do business when that program began in 2015.
If you end up licensing 10 more DOs and putting them in tertiary markets in West Texas and South Texas and North Texas and East Texas, it is impossible to be profitable. They will go out of business. So that doesn't solve your access problem.
The other issue the report shows is patients are leaving the regulated program for the hemp market for products like Delta 8. That remains mostly unregulated.
I know the legislature had no intention of opening up the floodgates that they have right now.
Dispensary operators say it is a dangerous situation that's unfolding because of how easy it is to get.
We are regulated as if we are transporting enriched plutonium across the state. It makes no sense anymore.
Operators say 2 major issues that need to be figured out in order for the program to continue to serve the patients who need it. In Austin, Barrett Tryon, KXAN News.
The report shows there are more than 66,000 patients that have enrolled since the program began, but that does not mean they are still active. Now, 9 years ago, state lawmakers passed the Compassionate Use Act. Back then, the use was only approved for people with epilepsy. Over the years, there's been a list of other qualifying medical conditions, including autism, cancer, multiple sclerosis, post-traumatic stress disorder, and others. The Department of Public Safety manages the Compassionate Use program. It also keeps a log of registered doctors and patients.